Guys, it's me. I'm so sorry to do this to you, but I am absent again today. I hurt my back, and so I'm not in. But I am posting the due now for today, so make sure that you have your Google Drive research folder open and that it's open to your outline, okay? So what you're going to work on today is we're going to make an attempt to work on body number 2, okay? Body number 2 is going to be your counterclaim. Counterclaim means that it's going to be the opposite argument. So if you're on the yes side, you're going to be looking at the no side. If you're on the no side, you're going to be looking at the yes side. All right. I did take a look at your theses for those of you who handed one in, and I made some suggestions, adjustments. So what I'd like you to first do is, if the sub or Miss B or Miss O haven't handed them back to you yet, just ask them to give you your theses, which are on the desk. So I have one, I think, that I set off for period 2 and another one that I set off for period 9. Make sure that you get those, please. And then go into your intro box, which is right over here. Your introduction box, and putting your new thesis right into that box that says thesis statement TP+3. All right, it should just be one sentence. I believe I did that to everybody that gave me one. If you were absent yesterday, you can email me with your thesis, and then I can edit it and fix it up for you, okay? So like I said, today you're going to work on body number 2. So once you are done looking at that thesis, and you showed Miss O and Miss Benda the editing that you did for your intro and your body, make sure that you write on your planners, because you're going to work on your commentary for body number 2 and your concrete details. But this is how it's going to work. So, body number 2 tells you to start off with a transition word and a topic sentence. I kind of gave you a setup for a sentence. You can use that, but if it's a little too complicated, all I want you to do is list 3 reasons that support your opposite side. So again, if you're on the yes side, you're finding 3 reasons that support the no side. If you're on the no side, you're looking for 3 reasons that support the yes side. Now, where do you get these reasons? Well, lucky for you, we already did them on modules. So you're going to go to Canvas, go to modules just like I am, and then you're going to scroll all the way down to the research paper section, and you're going to click on one of these 2, either period 2 student reasons or period 9 student reasons, okay? Period 2. I'm going to open them both up so that you guys have both of them to look at, since this video is going for both of you. All right, so these are my period 2 student reasons, so I'm just going to pick someone random for no reason at all, but let's look at here. Let's see, Angelica, for example. Angelica has reasons on the yes side and she has reasons on the no side. I know she's on the yes side, so this is her no reasons. Reasons why teens should not be getting privacy, okay? They shouldn't be getting more privacy like adults because they're pedophiles on social media. They are immature with what they post, and some teens are using social media for the wrong reasons, such as creating fake accounts or spam, all right? So she's going to take those 3 reasons, and she's going to put them right in here, okay? Now, if she wants, she could answer and fill out that sentence, or she could just list 1, 2, and 3 and just list her reasons, okay? Tomorrow we'll go into it a little bit more. Now, what I need you to do is you're going to look at those 3 reasons. Pick one of the 3. That's what it says right here, okay? Pick one of the 3 reasons from up here, okay? And look for a concrete detail that supports that reason. So now, taking Angelica again, all right? She says that there's pedophiles on social media. She's going to go back to her articles or her website or her ebook that she already has, nothing new, right? The stuff she already has, and she's going to make sure that she has a concrete detail that supports that pedophiles are on social media. Hopefully she does have something. Once she finds it, she's going to go and put that concrete detail there. Boom, copy paste, quotations around it. And she's going to give the citation. Remember, the citation is the last name of the author. If it's the ebook, you put the last name and the page number. If it's an article that doesn't have an author, you put the first 3 words of the title. All right, that's it. One of those 3 citations need to go in this box right here that says citation. Then she's going to pick another reason from those 3 that are up here. Okay, so she did the pedophile one already. Maybe she's going to do the immature one, or maybe she's going to put the wrong reason one. Let's say she does the wrong reasons one, that they're using it for wrong reasons. So she's going to go back here. She's going to skip commentary because you're going to do that for homework. And she's going to look for another concrete detail that supports the wrong things that teens are doing on social media. Bam, she's going to look at her articles. She's going to look at her website. She's going to look at her ebooks. Find something, copy paste it right here, give the citation. All right? Make sure you pick good stuff, because if you pick weak stuff, you're not going to have enough to comment on. All right? Now, for homework, or if you finish early, you can start the commentary. The commentary should not be short. You want to actually talk about it. You're commenting. You're not telling me my opinion of this is. No, you're just saying it. This quote shows, in the lines mentioned above, it's obvious that blah, 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 blah. Okay? You need to make sure you give good commentary. Now, this is where it gets tricky. So again, if you need to pause, replay, listen again, you're allowed to. But this is a short video, so don't spend the entire period watching this video. The first commentary is explaining how this quote that you chose supports this reason that you picked, okay? So again, Angelica said pedophiles was the first reason. So she's going to talk about how it shows that, yes, there are pedophiles that are on the internet, and that's why teens shouldn't get more privacy. Her commentary number 2 is going to be another sentence that rips apart that argument. So she's on the other side. So she's going to talk about how, yeah, there might be pedophiles, but, and she's going to find a way to manipulate it so that it deals with her side, which is the yes side. I'm not sure if that totally makes sense, but all I want you to do is make an effort to try. The goal is for you to first say, I understand where you're coming from, but let me explain to you why you're still wrong. It's like what we did when you guys sat in your groups. All right? Period 9. I know I just gave an example from period 2. So just try to follow your examples. Let me really quickly look at Tatiana, for example. She's on the yes side. They could look up education. She's got that they can communicate with teachers. And it expands the minds and imaginations of kids, okay? So those would be her 3 reasons that she would put up here. She's going to pick a concrete detail that supports one of those 3. Maybe she wants to talk about how students can communicate with teachers better. She finds a concrete detail. Then she picks another reason, like it broadens their minds and their imaginations, puts that here. Finds a concrete detail, and then she's going to comment, yes, students can communicate with their teachers, but, and then that's what's going to go in this section. I hope that kind of makes sense. Just try to do your best. Use your time wisely. No goofing off. No going on random websites. If the sub or Miss O or Miss B let you guys listen to music, then that's on them. If not, don't complain. Do the right thing. I hope to be in tomorrow with less pain. Feel free to email me if you have any questions, okay? Thanks. Bye, guys.